In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Uber Eats promo codes in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then right here at the search box type in Uber Eats promo code and then hit on search. Right here you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free Uber Eats promo codes. You can open up any of them to check that coupons, and right here, for example, the first one gives me 50% off. I can hit right here to see that coupon code. Here it is. I can now select that coupon code in that way and then hit on copy to copy it to my clipboard. Next, I can move on to Uber Eats website or to their mobile app where I can buy some of their stuff and where I can use that promo code. Just don't forget to use the coupon code, enter it in promo code field and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that coupon code doesn't work, you can always go back here and then you may try to use another one. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.